am Tejan Mishra from class 9 Jeevan Public School. Here with my project Terra. As we know that India is an agricultural economy with 53% of the farmers engaged in agriculture, and we know that farmers rely on the system of fallow. Fallow means leaving your land unused so that it would naturally regain its fertility. So that causes seasonal unemployment in which farmer sits idly doing nothing. So what we have made, it is a Terra Sense device, just like the devices, appliances like inverter in your house. This is Terra Sense, in which Terra means earth and Sense means to examine. So what are we examining? I guess you all have thought. We are examining the quality of the soil. A survey concludes that over 2,700 rupees is invested by every farmer annually just to get their soil checked. And each parameter have to be checked in different laboratories. What we are doing, it is an empathetic design, empathetic, integrated and sophisticated, in which we are checking 3 soil parameters, that is pH, electrical conductivity and soil moisture sensor. We have also inculcated with a speaker which has 16 national languages and 12 international languages, so that the farmer who are having the lack of knowledge, they don't know what is going on, what is happening, so they can get the information through a speaker. It will speak out aloud the condition of the soil in any language. Right now we have uploaded Hindi, English and Kannada in it. So this is an LCD which will display the readings. For example, what is the pH level, what is the EC level, what is the soil moisture level. So it will be displayed in this LCD. Now this LED indicators, for those farmers who just want to check them real quick, they can just see which kind of LED is lighting up. For example, for the red one, the soil's condition is really worse, and for the green one, the soil's condition is really best. And if there is any of the condition is somewhere in between, then the yellow light would light up. So it shows the moderate condition of the soil. Now, what is the total costing of it? We have only made it of 2,000 rupees, and it is a one-time investment. We will invest it into market with just 2,500 rupees with 500 as profit. Even 1 million of the targeted audience will give us 500 million of profit. So this is a really very empathetic design when we see as entrepreneurial scope. So yes.
Practically, you have used in Varanasi?
Sir, we have given it to an organization, it is NGO, Krishi Udyog.
Okay.
So they have also used it for at least 1 week.
Okay,
and after that, we when we took it back from them, they said that it is really good. The readings which is source is exact, is specific. And we don't have to go to different laboratories to get it checked.
Right.
Like for pH, we have to go to another laboratory. For EC, we have to go to another laboratories. Also, it has RTC module, so that if the soil condition is really very low, the water pump will automatically turn on and the soil would get irrigated. And it is IoT based. No matter where you are sitting, somewhere in Earth, like in Japan, America, from anywhere you can access the data. For example, the readings. Actually, we have an app for it, blink.in. You can connect it with the app and you can see what is happening, whether the water pump is on.
What is the expected time for the result, basically, for testing of soil and all that?
Sir, it will test it in no time, sir.
Actually, in seconds?
Yes, sir. Only it will take a moment. Like if you will insert this into the slurry or beaker or directly into the soil, it will show the readings in no time.
Just you can show for one soil?
Yes.
Okay, just show me. Not regarding pH, just for moisture and other.
Actually, sir, we have used battery and it,
it
does not have sufficient voltage, so that's why. So
no problem.
This is the pH probe.
Okay.
So you want to see of soil?
Yeah.
Sorry, moisture.
Yeah, moisture. In which the battery consumption is very less, just show me that one.
Sir, actually it is totally integrated now. So
okay. Then leave it. Okay.
So we will show it using the
From where you get this inspiration?
So we got this inspiration from our own kitchen garden. When my father was sowing the tomato seeds, and he said that what is happening, it is not growing even after 2 months. So I thought, what if we could just check what the soil is actually want to speak, what it is demanding, what is its requirements. So then I thought that okay, let's see. I searched online, there are lots of appliances available. There are already existing devices. But the problem with them is they will only check one parameter. They are expensive, not not affordable. So I thought that why not to make something which is affordable.
Are you going to get it a patent?
So yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a unique. Basically, it's a unique thing.
Thank you
What
so
the
much, sir.
Krishi Vibhag told you? Krishi department. What they
So
told? Agriculture
they said
department.
that you should get it patent, and we also went to an really very national level of competition.
Have you gone to BHU agriculture department for this? Basically, agriculture department is dedicated department in BHU, and there your this innovation can be considered. I
So we
think.
had no idea about that.
Okay, I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you. Thank you. Well done. Well done.